a DL, driver's license record for James Duncan. Do you have anything in the vehicle with your name on it?
That's when all hell breaks loose.
No!
He pulls a gun on the officer.
A routine traffic check in the dead of night, at least that's what Officer Brianna Tedesco thought. The driver? Calm. His excuse? Just taking a nap. But beneath the surface, a dangerous secret was about to erupt. As she asked for his license, he claimed he didn't have one. What the officer didn't know, this wasn't just a tired traveler. This was a fugitive wanted for murder hiding in plain sight. And in a split second, the situation turned deadly. Watch closely, because this body cam doesn't just capture an encounter. It captures the razor-thin line between trust and terror.
They're not finding a DL, driver's license record for James Duncan. Do you have anything in the vehicle with your name on it?
That's when all hell breaks loose. He pulls a gun on the officer. She begs for her life. They struggle for 20 seconds. From another angle, you can see the backup unit as Officer Tedesco struggles. Her backup opens fire. The suspect is taken down. His real name, Kenneth Martell, and he was wanted in Pennsylvania for the home invasion, robbery, murder of 88-year-old Theodore Garver. Now, Martell has met his own violent end.
No!